Catherine. So today we're going to do an unboxing video with this baby. So look at these details of the bag. It's super cute and the color is amazing. Warnanya aku banget. So yuk kita buka. First thing we have is this correction tape. Also, this is really useful. For example, if you get the answers wrong, you can cover with this. Kalau udah habis, diisi lagi. Yang kedua, kita punya glue stick. This is useful for arts and crafts, which is cute. So, I think that's it. We're going to move on. Pencil case, kotak pensil. I chose this one because it's really cute. Warnanya bagus banget. Detailnya it's perfect. So let's open it up. So we have a lot of pencils, and these pencils are awesome. Pensilnya nggak gampang patah. It's useful. Penghapus untuk pensil lah. And then we have a sharpener. Warnanya pink sama biru, and it says pop. And I love it. And I can't wait to use it. Another pencil, but it's like a pen, but it's really a pencil. And then this is the pencil for the pen. Two pens. Warnanya sih hitam, tapi it's okay. It's still really cute. It's pink and blue. And we have neon erasers. And we have another correction tape, but a smaller size. And then the last but not least, a USB. Ini buat menyimpan data, and you can take it out like that. Oh no, I can't get it out. Gimana caranya? Oh, okay, there we go. This one is the bottom part. Also can be used for your Android. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now, let's move on to the big pocket. So next thing we have a lot of crayons. Warnanya bagus banget. It's so cute. And let's open it. Look at it inside. It's really cute. Warnanya bagus banget, cerah. And I can't wait to use it. We have sharpener and it winds. And we have 4 study notebooks. Warnanya ada biru, pink, a purple greenish color, and a dark green. Because it has cake. It's so cute. I want to eat it. Watercolor pencils. It has a lot of colors you can use for coloring. Next thing we have is a calculator. This is also really useful for your subjects, and this is my first ever calculator, and I'm so excited to use it. And bisa nyontek juga ya. And then we got a binder. This one is a plain white binder. It says captivated by nature. Dan di dalam botol ini ada cewek tapi cantik banget dia. Ada banyak bunga-bunganya. And I'm so excited to use this. You can use more. This one is pink and this one is green. I'm so excited. Watercolor. This one is for this thing. Warnanya apa banget. It's my binder. Okay. This is like a bird or something. This is a peacock. Dan ini gajah. Di dalam desainnya sama. tapi warnanya aja yang beda. Last but not least, my favorite. This one is like a game thing. It's a color to life. You must color the picture and scan it on your phone. I think that's it. This is my unpacking video, and I challenge you untuk membuat video seperti aku di Gramedia Unpack Your Bag. Untuk lebih jelas, cek sosial media Gramedia. Dadah semuanya!